Hi everyone, this came from Affordably Crafty. I had a lovely day out with my bestie today on a little girl antique and thrifting adventure. This was our first stop, the Canal Street Antique Mall and the 4th Floor Design Center. This is where it's located in Lawrence, Massachusetts. They have a website, open daily. In this haul, I will have 62 skeins of name brand, some vintage, and some high-end yarn that I can't wait to share with you, along with a couple of other treats, crochet tools, new in package. Exciting, my second find ever of that. Well, it's not a crochet kit, it's a knit kit, but you'll understand what I'm saying. So, if you're new here, welcome. For my returning subscribers, thank you. This is Affordably Crafty, and my channel is all about stretching your craft dollar and learning how to be affordably crafty. So, please like, share, and subscribe, and let's get into this haul. Can't wait! We had a really awesome bin of watch parts there, and so I got these, I don't know, these ring things that are on watches. That I plan on doing some DIYs with and some holiday gifts. These awesome numbers from the Girl Scouts. Those will be something fun, craft-wise. Huge bag of them. See? That was only $3. It's a Susan Bates size 8. So this will be my first aluminum Susan Bates hook, so I can't wait to try that. Which I couldn't open because the bag was sealed, so I was like, I think they're seam rippers. So this one is indeed a seam ripper, which is the weirdest seam ripper I've ever seen. The other one, however, is not. It is a needle threader, which is pretty cool. Plate, which has these hole perforations. That was half off, so it was only $2. And I plan on doing a DIY with this for my kitchen, which I'm pretty excited about. It is very big. On to the yarn. So there was a super special deal, and a lot of these are high-end yarns. Green, new in package, not opened. And then I got a royal, these are all size 10s, in ocean. Got like purples and blues, again unopened. Color purples, unopened. That's 4 unopened crochet threads. Then I grabbed, there was some cotton yarns. Rouge red. This is the peaches and cream color. And there's 120 yards in here. And there was a couple of sugar and creams. So this one, cornflower blue. Just like that. This one has 120 yards in it. Country mauve. Like that pretty purple color. Rose. So there's one that looks like it's pretty full, and then there's this one which has a little bit left on it. Bernat Cotton Tots, color Wonder White, like this. It feels really, really nice, I'm going to be honest with you. Like, that is very soft. Okay, that's all the cotton yarn. Now I'm going to talk about the vintage yarn that I found. So I got one skein of this really old Mary Maxim Starlet, which is their 4-ply weight, and there is 100 grams. This is red, acrylic. And then I got Windtalk Banbury Crossing, which was sold at Bradley's originally. It just says it's 4 ounces of a 4-ply. Azalea. And there was 3 of these. Isn't that awesome? They look like they're full. That's 12 ounces of that. Then the same brand, Lilac. And this is 100% DuPont Orlan acrylic. 3 of those. In the color gray. So I think these will go good together. What do you guys think? There's those pink ones. So that's some of the vintage yarn. Then there was a couple of novelty things. Ladder type yarn with no label, but it looks like it's pretty full. Red Heart Kiss which is like a fun fur kind of, and the color creamy. However, this thing is so soft. I mean, like, so soft. 100% nylon. Oh my god, it's so soft. I mainly grabbed this because I thought it would be good with some holiday decor stuff. Wicked soft, white Berocco yarn that to me feels like maybe it's acrylic and cotton. But it's this really full cake. I mean, that's like really full. And it actually is pretty soft. This random hank of burgundy, which by the feel and smell, this is wool. I mean, like, I'm 100% sure this is wool. I don't even have to do a burn test. Like, it smells like wool. There's a pretty good size hank of that. Maybe there'll be enough to make some fingerless gloves or a hat out of it. Tinkerbell by Peter Pan. I don't know, 50 grams. And this is from West Yorkshire, the United Kingdom. And the original price on this is $4.50 a ball. Oh my god, this stuff is so soft. Look how pretty that is. It's got like a ribbon running through it there of green and pink along with that fuzzy yarn. I don't know if that's really picking up how awesome that is. It is so soft. Another vintage yarn, Mary Maxim Bolero and Chunky Weight. 70% acrylic, 30% wool. 50 grams. Not pretty. It's white and blue. And there was 2 of them that look like they're full. So there's 100 grams of that. James C. Brett Marble Machine Washable. 100% acrylic from West Yorkshire as well. So it's from the UK. 240 yards. Very, very full ball. Look at how pretty that is. It's got like pinks, blues, aquas, some purples. I mean, like, that's really pretty. I love that. And then there was this itty bitty tiny ball on the side. Okay. Berocco Comfort. Knitting worsted weight. 50% nylon, 50% acrylic. And this is the color No Name. And the original price on this was $6.50. Again, I got these all for $1 each. That is so soft and like an off-white color. Now there's some more really high-end yarns left. That some of these I haven't even seen before. Knit Coal Trend. 100% merino wool, virgin wool, superwash. This is what the label looks like. And this is what the yarn looks like. Is that not pretty? A bunch of different colors. Beautiful. So it's not a full ball, but I mean, it's pretty close to full. So there's another Berocco that was in there. Berocco Plush. And it's a red color. 90 yards in each ball. And it's 100% nylon. Really, really soft yarn in red. And the original price on this is $9. And there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balls of this Berocco plush. Hello? Hello, for $1 each. Yes, please, get in my bag. Princess Classic Elite Yarns. 40% merino, 28% viscose, 10% cashmere, 15% nylon, and 7% angora. 150 yards in a ball. Made in Italy. Yards in each ball. So I got 1, 2. This one's kind of wonky. This one looks like maybe a little was taken out of it. 3, 4. So I have almost 600 yards of this beautiful, very, very soft merino blend. Merino cashmere Angora blend. This is very pretty. This is the 4-weight, I think. Shetland Aran. 80% new wool. 20% alpaca. From Jaeger. This is from England. Made in the UK. And it says it has 182 yards. It looks like it's brand new. But look, it's like a tweed. 100% wool. I mean, that is just beautiful. This might become a hat for my dad for Christmas. I mean, that's beautiful. Oh, love wool. Keeping with the wool theme, Lopi Reynolds. Made in Iceland, exclusively for Reynolds Yarns. 100% Icelandic wool, approximately 110 yards. I've never seen before, I've never held before, and there's 110 yards, so I got 220 yards of it. Look, it's like blue with like orange and red flecks in it, and there's some purple flecks there. You can kind of see that better. Isn't that beautiful? And that's probably a 5 weight at least. Pretty chunky. Beautiful. Shade light rich teal, 100% wool. 260 yards, made in the USA. In the color light teal. 260 yards. 1, 2, 3 balls. Is that amazing or what? 100% wool. Oh my god, I love that. The most amount of mohair I've seen in a yarn yet. 76.5% mohair, 17.5% wool. Hand wash, obviously. Classic Elite Legrand mohair in black, and the original price on this is $7.50. Approximately 90 yards, made in South Africa, exclusively floor. Classic Elite Yarns in Lowell, Mass. I wonder if that's still there. I mean, it's very floofy because it's got so much mohair in it. Look at that. Is that not cool? I mean, that is so soft. Then the highest ticketed original priced item that I found was this Plymouth Yarns Sin City. 70% rayon, 25% wool, 5% polyester. Made in Italy. Yep, in the color topaz. 60 yards. So this is the color topaz. It's like a brown, a rich chocolate brown with gold flecks in it. If you can see that. See the gold flecks? And there was 2 of those. And the original price on this was $15 a ball. And I got it for $1 in the color onyx. And this stuff's made in Italy. And it is black with all the shimmery, sparkly beautifulness in it. And it's very soft. It's almost like a velvet. It's beautiful. Oh, Knit Picks Cot Lynn Glacier. 70% Tanquise, 30% linen, 123 grams DK weight. And this is the color Glacier, I guess. It looks like this from Knit Picks. 8 of those. And all of them look totally full with wrapped bands except this one, which actually looks pretty darn full. So that's over 1,000 yards of that. And then the last thing I have is the kit that I found for $1. Now it's not crochet, it's knit. The baby cable sweater kit. This is what the sweater looks like. It's from Bernat. 50% virgin wool and 50% nylon. Easy to care for. And the color pink. And there is 1 ounce in it. So there is 2 ounces in this kit of this extremely soft pink Bernat yarn. And then you get these pearl buttons. And you get the knitting pattern. So that is my haul. Canal Street Antique Mall and the 4th floor Design Center. And everybody was very helpful there. So I would totally suggest going there. It's fun to just poke around and look. We were there for 4 hours. Woohoo, lots to see. Alright, so that's my haul today. Let me know what you think of all this stuff. Let me know if you've had any of these other brands of yarn before and used them. Especially this stuff from Iceland. I don't know if you guys have seen that before. So yeah, if you like what you see, I teach you how to stretch your craft dollar and be affordably crafty here. Please like, subscribe, and share. Have a great day. Bye. Hi everyone. So we are here at the Big Huge Antiques Mall in Lawrence, Mass. And, ooh, happiness. I'm going to dig through this bad boy. Ooh. Shetland Aran. 80% new wool, 20% alpaca. Oh boy. I have to dig through this bad boy. Vintage yarn. Oof. Oh, see what kind of goodies we can find in here. So exciting. Ooh. Yay. See you in a little bit.